you tired of your 3-year-old child constantly relying on their dummy? Here are 10 tips to help this process go smoothly. Number 1. The dummy jar. One method is the dummy jar technique. This involves placing the dummy in a jar that is out of reach for your child. Every time they ask for the dummy, remind them that it's in the jar and encourage them to find other ways to do it themselves. Number 2. Providing alternatives. Another way to help your child break the dummy habits is to provide them with alternative forms of comfort and entertainment. This can include reading books, playing with toys, or doing arts and crafts. Number 3. Reducing the time. Gradually reducing the amount of time your child uses their soother can make the transition easier. Start by setting limits on when they can use it, such as only during nap time or bedtime. Number 4. Encourage self-soothing. Teach your child to self-soothe by using other methods such as hugging a teddy, reading a book, or doing a quiet activity like coloring or puzzles. Number 5. Make it unappealing. If your child is still attached to the soother, try making it less appealing by cutting a hole in it or putting a small amount of lemon juice. Number 6. Positive reinforcement. Reward your child for not using their soother. This can be done by praising them or giving them a small reward. This positive reinforcement will encourage them to continue making progress. Number 7. Keep it out of sight. Keep the soother out of sight as much as possible. This will help reduce the temptation for your child to use it. Number 8. Talk to your child. Talk to your child about why it's important for them to give up their soother. Explain to them that they are growing up and that they don't need it anymore. Number 9. Be a role model. Show your child that it's okay to give up things that they no longer need by being a role model and giving up something that you no longer need or use. Number 10. Be consistent. It's important to be consistent with your efforts to get rid of the soother. Children often need time to adjust to change, so you may need a few weeks or even months before your child is ready to give it up. Breaking a dummy habit can be difficult, but with patience and consistency, you can help your child say goodbye to their dummy for good. We hope these tips have been helpful to get rid of your child's soother. Please support this channel by subscribing for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.